Hi everyone, I am Ruth Eke, a member of Group 6 with Chimezie Azi. In this video, I'll walk you through our Project 3 assignments in advanced geospatial topics and also demonstrate our website's functionality. So we created a web mapping application for building permits in Calgary, Canada, which was taken from the Open Calgary API datasets. And the tools and resources we used for this code are the HTML, Visual Studio Code, and the CSS, Python Flask, JAVASCRIPT, leaflets, geoJSON, and Open Calgary API. So going through our code, you can see the application.py file right here on my screen, which has the Python Flask code, and it gets a JSON response from the Open Calgary API. It also passes it to the building permit search.html, and the date value we used for this code is January 2022 to 23rd of January 2022 as well. Yeah, so and then when you click on the building permit search.html file, it contains the structure of the web page and all the links of the leaflet code, as you can see right here. And then we also have a CSS file inside the static folder. We'll have the style subfolder, which contains the CSS style sheets used for this project. And then we'll have the building permit search JavaScript file, and then building permit search after search JavaScript file. So to run this code, you have to click on your terminal. You have to run the application.py file on your terminal, and then you copy this link here, and then you paste it on any browser of your choice. So as you can see on my screen here, looking closely, you can see a map of the city of Calgary, and above it is a search box that is used to search for building permits by date range. So when I click on this date range, I select any date range of my choice and click on apply and search. So it will load all the building permits within the selected date range, and you can see markers and clusters of building permits in Calgary, where a marker represents, you can see the markers in blue and then the clusters in green. Each marker represents a single building permit, and then the cluster represents groups of neighboring markers, that is building permits in cluster. Okay, so when I click on any of this single marker, you see details about the building permits. You have the issue date, work class group, contractor name, community name, and then the original address. So for multiple building permits located at the same location, sometimes the markers are overlapping. So we had to handle this using the leaflet plugin. As you can see here, all the overlapping markers were integrated into a single marker, and then when you click on this single marker, it will zoom in, and then you will see the individual markers on your screen. And when you click on any of these markers, details about the building permit comes up as well in your pop-up content message. Okay, so finally, if you want to search for a different if you want to search using a different date range as well, and then you select the date range and click on apply and on search. Okay, so the map will get refreshed and to display new matching results. And when you click on any of those markers, you would also see the details about the building permits. Thank you so much.